Ladies and gentlemen, you see Brigadier Sati meeting the officials, giving his thanks for this amazing contest, this amazing event that we are witnessing. You are watching all the action live on Geo Super. This is the 38th Men and 2nd Women National Boxing Championship 2021, brought to you by the Pakistan Boxing Federation in association with DHA. And this is all the action you're witnessing live on Geo Super. Geo Super bringing you this amazing contest, this amazing boxing event.
Sati Saab very respectfully expanding his gratitude to these officials जिनकी वजह से by the way आज का ये मुकाबला नहीं हो सकता. This is why this event is so professionally sanctioned. This is why this event is prospering. इन officials की वजह से ये event इतना अच्छा जा रहा है. And Sati Saab over here, you see him giving his
officials की हौसला अफजाई करते हुए उनका शुक्रिया अदा करते हुए
extending his thank.
ये वो लोग हैं जिनकी वजह से ऐसे ज़बरदस्त इवेंट होते हैं. इनके बगैर ये इवेंट मुमकिन ही नहीं है. आप ये ज़बरदस्त इवेंट देख रहे हैं जियो सुपर पे. 38th Men 2nd Women National Boxing Championship 2021 पाकिस्तान बॉक्सिंग फेडरेशन की जानिब से in association with DHA. And this is Abdullah Khwaja and Fazan Fawad calling all the action on this amazing night. Day 5 of the National Boxing Championship.
Very odd scene in the ring right now, Abdullah. Nematullah seemed to come back and sit in the ring. Is this some sort of demonstration?
I believe this is a form of protest. Maybe Nematullah feels that he's sitting in the middle of the ring. He is refusing to leave. This is some drama here that we're witnessing. His team, his cornermen having some words.
I think this bout was pretty clear cut to me. The decision was also very fair and black and white to me, but Nematullah demonstrating in the ring and protesting, it seems.
Yes. Obviously, this is a wonderful sport. This is an excellent sport. You win some, you lose some, you try to come back stronger. If you feel we have 5 amazing judges scoring the action, again, I'm not sure what Nematullah's issue is. We might get a better understanding as the event continues. Nematullah's cornermen, his teammates, his coaches having some words with the officials, registering their protest.
You're going to get the opinions of 1 judge, 2 judges, but there are 5 judges tonight, and when they agree on something, I think you should really accept that.
Exactly. This is,
you should be.
There's no bias. This is the judges score this right down the middle.
You should show humility in your defeat, and I don't know, but we don't know what's.
We're not exactly sure what's happening.
Yeah,
maybe
exactly.
It's some other issue. Maybe Nematullah
feels some injustice has happened to him tonight.
We'll get more as the event progresses. Right now, we're waiting for Brigadier Sati is in the audience. He just watches the amazing fight between Nazirullah and Nematullah. He is appreciating, giving his thanks to the organizers, to the officials, to the judges, to the referees.
Personally extending his gratitude to these officials who have made this night possible and who have made this night so prosperous in this event of boxing. And this night, of course, will surely go down in history for Pakistani boxing. This whole event has been so important for it.
What a night this has been, Fazan, and the night's not over. We still have amazing boxing matches coming to you live on Geo Super. What a treat it is to be here.
We're heading to the heavyweight and the super heavyweight division over here, Abdullah Bhai, and I'm even more excited. Maybe we can expect to see some knockouts. I don't know. Let's see, Abdullah Bhai.
Fingers crossed, Fazan.
Hoping no fighter gets hurt, by the way.
Obviously, the fighter's safety is our top priority, but this is the sport of boxing. You never know what happens in the match.
And you need to respect these guys. Makes you respect these guys even more. They put their lives on the line in this ring. In these 4 corners, they risk everything, Abdullah Bhai.
Absolutely.
There's so much respect for these guys.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हम दोबारा मुकाबला
Round 1.
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the 38th Men and 2nd Women National Boxing Championship, brought to you by Pakistan Boxing Federation in association with DHA. You are watching all the action live on Geo Super. This is your host Abdullah Khwaja. Joining me in the commentary booth is Fazain Fawad. We are at bout 119 in the men's heavyweight, 86 kilogram. Majid Ali from Team Navy in red and Sujil Kumar in blue from Team Sindh.
We're back from the break, ladies and gentlemen, as the first heavyweight bout of the night, and promising as it seems. Fireworks, as we'll see. Oh, tries to go for a
Majid
cross over
Ali
there from
in
the red corner.
And we
Majid.
see Sujil Kumar from Sindh in blue. Good start to the first heavyweight bout of the night. We see
Oh, and Majid Ali charging
Majid Ali
up.
charging Sujil Kumar from Team Sindh.
Majid Ali showing a lot of bouncy movement. He's trying to keep his head off of the center line. It's very important to do that, so he can escape a lot of the shots. Oh, and you see when you don't take the head off the center line, you get caught with those punches.
It's important to note that these fighters have been fighting for 4 days straight. This is the 5th day of the tournament. Tomorrow is the finals.
These fighters, their mettle really has been tested there, Abdullah bhai.
Anybody who's reached the semi-finals has obviously shown a lot of heart, a lot of toughness, a lot of resolve.
Oh!
And the fight is picking up. Action in the ring.
Sujil Kumar trying to get some shots on the back of the head. That obviously not very legal.
Majid Ali. Oh. Referee stops. Has a couple of words with both fighters. Gives them instructions. And resumes the fight.
Majid Ali leading the pace, leading the dance over here. He is, I think he's up on the ring generalship very well. I think that's very obvious. Sunil.
Smart boxing by both fighters. Fazain, both of the fighters do not seem aggressive in the early moments. Is that smart?
Right now they're trying to conserve some energy. They know these fights. They've got bigger gloves. It's really difficult for them to knock the person out. They're gonna conserve energy. They're gonna try to score some points in these early rounds. They're gonna go for it in the later rounds. I think a factor that's playing in right now is as well as that the crowd is low. We had a break and the crowd is returning to the seats, and there's not a lot.
Oh my God! A big punch by Majid Ali, rocking Sujil Kumar.
Majid Ali is trying to take matters into his own hands.
That
He
is
doesn't
the end
care
of
about
round
the crowd.
one. I believe, Faizan, we only saw one big punch connecting in round number one.
A slow start, but
Let's see if it picks up.
Majid Ali is trying to pick the pace up now.
Big punch landed by Majid Ali in the closing moments of round number one. First heavyweight bout of the night.
You can see there's not a lot of sweat yet at the end of the first round, and that's not the general trend that's been here at the night. I think the crowd's playing a factor. The crowd's returning, and when the energy returns to this building, then I think the fighters will pick up the pace as well.
Faizan, tell me, as the weight classes go up, how is the fight, how is the boxing changed as you move from a lightweight fight to a heavyweight?
So as we go up the ladder, of those kilograms, we see a lot more power. But that power does come at the cost of fastness, their quickness,
Second
their
out.
snappiness of the fighters. You see the heavyweight fighters, they usually land less, but they land more effective. They are very vigilant of their economy because they've got a lot of energy riding on those punches, rather than compared to a bantamweight, let's say.
Can we expect a knockout in these heavyweight fights?
I really hope so, but you really can with this power that these people have.
Sujil Kumar with a good flurry of offense.
The power
Trying to
that
get
the power that these professionals have, you really never know.
Both fighters applying the pressure, and we just saw Majid Ali with a good uppercut.
Do not forget, Abdullah Bhai, it's the heavyweight division. It takes one big punch. One big punch to end the night.
Change the whole scene of the match.
That's why you'd see them being more cautious as well around each other, because they know the power their opponent holds.
Small punches being thrown in the clinch.
Just trying to tee off on some points over here, steal some points from each other
Oh, some shots to the back of the head. That's not
by both
right.
fighters. The referee advising them against us. Oh, Majid Ali with a fake over there. And that's how you set up those traps.
Oh my God, another. Oh, that was a big one. Faizan, that was a big one.
That was a huge shot. And you see that Majid Ali set up the trap for that. He faked in, and then when Sajid was biting on the fake, and when he leans in, and he gets caught. He gets caught really bad over there.
Both fighters using their. Oh my God. That was dangerous. Connection in the corner.
The cotton buds from the basket are falling
We
as
see
well.
the cotton buds. They flew out of the basket. They have been respectfully removed from the ring. Oh my God!
Sujil with a
Majid Ali with
Sujil
a
gets caught,
big left
and he
hand.
gets caught again. But he's got some chin on
Sujil
him.
Kumar has to be careful, doesn't he?
Oh!
Faizan, is it just me, or do I feel like Sujil Kumar is getting tired? Or maybe
He's getting tired, he's getting hurt as well.
he's
Majid
getting
Ali is
hurt.
landing big shots as well. Oh!
Sujil Kumar with a little bit of comeback.
He's trying to go in, but he can't find it.
Just throwing axe hands, hammer punches. Like you said, Faizan, as the weight increases, the power increases, but at the cost of their speed and their stamina. Not saying that they're not incredible athletes, but yes,
They've got bigger muscles, they've got a lot more mass, and that takes a lot more energy. It's just science, there's nothing about athleticism.
exactly.
to it.
Again, punches to the back of the head.
And the referee needs to take note of
Yeah.
that.
Sujil Kumar with a good connection, good combination. Connected with a few shots. Now we see that Majid Ali is getting tired as well.
Both of these fighters look really tired.
Both fighters breathing heavy,
They're giving up on their stance and they're trying to hold on.
practically
to each
holding each other up.
other. Yep.
That is the end of round two. Oh my God! What was that?
Those are just some love taps from Majid.
Okay,
I
if
think-
it's all in good spirit, why not?
I think nothing harm, no harm done there.
There was no malice, no malicious intent. It was just some fun. That can work in boxing.
But he's a heavyweight. Who knows the power in those punches as well?
They seem like small taps. Maybe they're hurting.
I don't think a man like me can take those.
We see Sujil Kumar's trainers, their coaches, throwing water on his face, trying to wake him up, trying to get him ready for the third and final round of this contest. This is the first men's heavyweight fight tonight on day 5 of the 38th Men and Second Women National Boxing Championship 2021, brought to you by Pakistan Boxing Federation in association with DHA. You are watching all this amazing action on Geo Super. This is Abdullah Khwaja. Joining me in the commentary booth is Fazain Fawad. And we just heard the bell for round number 3. Fazain, who do you think walks away the winner?
Majid Ali, I think, has the upper hand right now. He has been tagging Sunil all day, all night right here. But, he's coming up with some good jabs of his own.
Oh, there's a connection. Majid Ali connecting. Both fighters.
But both fighters again, they're tangled up, they're tired.
Referee asking, oh my God, Sujil Kumar with a big right hand. Connecting with Majid Ali.
Doesn't seem to phase Majid that much though.
Big punches being thrown by Majid
now
Ali and Sujil Kumar. Both guys on the offense. No one wants to lose an inch.
The referee needs to take note of this. Sujil is going for a lot of shots on the back of the head.
That's dangerous. He's still going
again,
for it. He's still.
still.
As the boxers get tired, the fight becomes super difficult. But we still have we have 2 minutes remaining in the final round. They still have a long way to go in terms of boxing. Oh my God, another big shot by Majid Ali. Majid Ali using his strength. Oh! That was a knockout power level punch.
How is he on his feet?
Oh my God.
That
amazing.
connected flush.
That is a testament to the resolve of Sujil Kumar. I thought that was it, bro.
That was so clean, right on the jaw.
His whole head just shook. You saw the whiplash.
He's got some legs. This boy's got some legs.
Oh, that was another big connection to the side of the head this time. Sujil
That's
Kumar
a very dangerous part, a very vulnerable part, the dome.
Sujil Kumar
The
on
temple.
ropes. Majid Ali applying the pressure. Majid Ali still at it. Will we see a knockout in the first heavyweight fight of the night?
And Majid showing clear
a little shove and a small punch by Sujil Kumar.
And now Majid's mad. He's coming for blood.
Mad.
Oh, look at that.
What happens to the psyche of a fighter when they get angry in the bout?
They might lose sight of the real target, which is to win the bout. What Majid needs to do is needs to stay professional here. He needs to put those feelings aside and that anger aside, and he needs to sail through the win.
Small punches to the back of the head repeatedly.
The referee needs to deduct some points here, I think.
Judge 1, Mr. Sher Mohammed. Judge 2, Mr. Rashad Minhas. Judge 3, Mr. Bashir Shuja. Judge 4, Mr. Asif Kakar. Judge 5, Mr. Ijad Akbar.
हाँ हूँ
केस तो अगला
नहीं नहीं ये बात 3 नंबर जज बेजा जाके उते
We are waiting the official decision for bout 119 in the men's heavyweight division between Majid Ali and Sujil Kumar. The crowd cheering for their fighters. The victory has been awarded to Majid Ali from Team Navy. We saw Majid's amazing strength in the contest. Both fighters hugging it out. Good sportsman spirit, good sportsmanship shown by both fighters at the end of round, at the end of the third round between the first. Bout 119 at day 5 of National Boxing Championship. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the 38th Men and Second Women National Boxing Championship 2021, brought to you by Pakistan Boxing Federation in association with DHA. You are watching all this amazing action live on Jio Super. I am your host, Abdullah Khwaja, and joining me in the commentary booth is Pakistan National Swimming Olympian Kiran Khan. Kiran, क्या कहती हैं आज के event के बारे में?
Thank you so much for having me. It's amazing that DHA complex has pulled off such a beautiful event. इस तरह के events होंगे पाकिस्तान के अंदर तो ही स्पोर्ट्स को आगे तरक्की मिलेगी, लोगों को एक्सपोजर होगा कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर कितना अच्छी जगह है जहाँ पे ये कंपटीशन होते हैं, जहाँ पे बच्चे ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर पीपल टू नो एंड फॉर अस टू शोकेस के पाकिस्तान के अंदर कितनी स्पोर्ट्स हैं, DHA कितनी ज़्यादा वो स्पोर्ट्स को एम्पावर कर रहा है इसके लिए, लड़कियों के लिए, लड़कों के लिए. आई थिंक टुडेज़ इवेंट इज़ वेरी स्पेशल फॉर DHA. पहले DHA ने स्विमिंग कॉम्पिटिशन करवाया, उसके बाद बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप हो रही है यहाँ पे. आई थिंक दिस इज़ एन इम्प्रूवमेंट इन स्पोर्ट्स by DHA in Pakistan.
Bilkul. This is the start of bout 120 men's heavyweight division between Irfan Khan of Team Army and Sanaullah from Team Wabda. Bout 120 here at day 5 of the National Boxing Championship. Kiran Khan joining me. Kiran, आपको बॉक्सिंग पसंद है?
मुझे बॉक्सिंग बहुत पसंद है. आई थिंक इफ़ आई हैड टू चूज़ एन ऑप्शन बिटवीन स्विमिंग या बॉक्सिंग तो आई वुड डेफिनेटली गो फॉर. इट्स अ वेरी थ्रिलिंग स्पोर्ट्स एंड इवन स्विमिंग गिव्स अस दैट थ्रिल. तो एनी स्पोर्ट्स दैट गिव्स मी थ्रिल आई एम ऑल इन फॉर इट. एंड बॉक्सिंग इटसेल्फ इज़ अ वेरी थ्रिलिंग इवेंट. और जितनी दुनिया इसको देखने आती है और जितना मज़ा आता है इसके लिए, आई थिंक यू लिव फॉर दिस मोमेंट.
Crowd is excited for this heavyweight contest. We just saw an amazing fight in the last match between Majid Ali and Sujil Kumar. Now Irfan Khan in red and Sanaullah in blue having an amazing boxing match. Both fighters having big shots. किरण, अभी जो फाइट हो रही है उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगी आप? हेवीवेट फाइट
जो मैं देख रही हूँ अपने सामने, आई थिंक इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ गट्स कि सामने वाला पंच कर रहा है आपको, आप वापस पंच बैक कर रहे हो. यू हैव टू लिव इन दैट पेन एंड दिस इज़ द मोस्ट आई थिंक फास्ट फाइट दैट आई हैव सीन इन द इवनिंग टुनाइट. And I think it's more thrilling. I think everybody's cheering on. I think this fight has more thrill than any other fight.
किरण, आप खुद एक एथलीट हैं. अब बहुत अरसे बाद, कोविड के बाद पाकिस्तान में स्पोर्ट्स का रिवाइवल हो रहा है, क्या कहेंगी उसके बारे में?
It was very important to sports to come back because almost 2 years के break के बाद anybody who wants to compete, बहुत टाइम लगता है अपने आप को वापस उस तरह से competing level पे लेके आना, क्योंकि mentally तौर पे you're relaxed, you don't know what your body feels, आपकी muscle memory सारी ख़त्म हो जाती है कि how it feels like to compete. It took me, it was very hard time for me when I competed in the recent championship, but अब एक दफ़ा start हो गया, hopefully कि अब कोविड की वजह से चीज़ें बंद ना हो. तो आई थिंक दीज फाइट्स, दीज स्विमिंग कॉम्पिटिशन, अदर कॉम्पिटिशन में गो ऑन सो वी कैन हैव मोर स्पोर्ट्स इन पाकिस्तान. अदर दैन दैट अगर कोविड आ जाता है एंड देन वी गेट अ ब्रेक तो वो फिर स्पोर्ट्स के लिए बहुत बुरा रहता है.
आपने खुद पाकिस्तान को नेशनल लेवल पर रिप्रेजेंट किया हुआ है और अभी आज विमेंस का भी अभी फाइनल होएगा यहाँ पे, क्या कहेंगी उस बारे में?
It is very important for our community, our society to see women fighting in the ring. It is very important also कि sports में लड़कियों का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Sports is not only just for men, it is for women as well. और I think यहाँ बैठे हुए जितनी भी औरतें हैं, बच्चियाँ हैं, माँ बहनें हैं, वो ये देखें कि उनकी बेटियाँ स्पोर्ट्स में कितना अच्छा एक्सेल कर सकती हैं, पाकिस्तान का नाम कितना रोशन कर सकती हैं, क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता कि कौन सा वो एक सितारा होगा या एक बच्चा होगा जो पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन कर देगा. तो आई थिंक it is very important for girls to have this exposure, ताकि मैं समझती हूँ कि बॉक्सिंग जो है नॉट एज ए प्रोफेशनल स्पोर्ट्स को देखा जाए, एज अ सेल्फ डिफेंस के लिए भी देखा जाए. तो लड़कियों के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अगर आप प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे नहीं करते तो एटलीस्ट सेल्फ डिफेंस के लिए बॉक्सिंग ज़रूर सीखें.
हम आज लाइव हैं जियो सुपर में. मेरे साथ मौजूद थी किरण खान. किरण, जियो ने हमेशा दे हैव हैड एन इनिशिएटिव ऑफ प्रमोटिंग स्पोर्ट्स इन पाकिस्तान.
Yeah.
क्या कहेंगे आज जो इवेंट जियो सुपर करवा रहे हैं आप?
नहीं, जियो सुपर हैज़ ऑलवेज बिन द बिगेस्ट स्पोर्ट्स इन सपोर्ट इन स्पोर्ट्स. इन्होंने हमेशा हर इवेंट कवर किया है. आई थिंक इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अदर न्यूज़ चैनल्स टू कम अप विद सच आइडियाज़ टू कवर अप स्पोर्ट्स, बिकॉज जब तक हम टीवी पे नहीं दिखाएंगे कि पाकिस्तान में कौन सी स्पोर्ट्स हो रही है लड़कों की लड़कियों की, तो आई डोंट थिंक सो स्पोर्ट्स कैन रिवाइव. एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु कैन नॉट मेक इट हेयर दे वॉच इट ऑन टीवी. तो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड they have played a very क्या कहते हैं a great role in providing this facility to DHA, and a lot of people can see us on TV and see what's happening in Pakistan sports.
Thank you so much, Kiran,
Thank
for
you.
your time. I hope you enjoy the event.
Round 2.
Thank you so much, Kiran, for joining us.
Thank you.
Welcome back to the 38th Men's Second Women National Boxing Championship here in DHA, brought to you by Jio Super. This is Abdullah Khwaja, joined by Fazain Fawad. We are in bout number 120 of the men's heavyweight division. Red, Irfan Khan from Team Army, and in blue, Sanaullah from Team Wabda.
Abdullah bhai, right over here in my hand, I have some rubber from the soul of Sanaullah Khan's shoe. This tells you how much they put it in the ring, how much force is exerted in the ring, that the rubber and pieces of their equipment is flying all over the place. It fell in front of me, it fell on me, and I had to pick it up and I had to show it to the camera. This is the rubber right from the soul of Sanaullah Khan's shoe. This is crazy.
Big
This
punch
is madness.
by Irfan Khan. Referee shouting at the fighters.
The crowd is back, the atmosphere is back, it's electric, and these heavyweights are putting up a real show over here. Oh!
Hear that, Fazain?
I heard that. I think everybody in a 5-mile radius heard that. I think everybody in Lahore heard that, Abdullah bhai.
Irfan Khan has been cut underneath his right eye. He's bleeding from... Irfan Khan, representing Team Army, has a big cut underneath his right eye. Both fighters throwing.
Sanaullah
haymakers.
digging into the body as the breadbasket, as I mentioned earlier tonight.
These are amazing, amazing athletes, both giving it their all here at the National Boxing Championship. What a treat, Fazain, it is to be here.
This is absolutely amazing. Seeing these fighters, using a Manny Pacquiao style over there, using both of his hands to punch him. Oh, straight chiseled cross.
Incredible toughness. That is the end of...
Great second round, eventful, exciting.
That is the end of the round. Both fighters back in their corners. We still have one round remaining in this amazing bout number 120 between Irfan Khan and Sanaullah. Team Army versus Team Wabda.
Oh, did you see that? Right there in the blue corner, Sanaullah's coach slaps him with water, wakes him up. He says, "This is your round. Get it."
The crowd is back with full force. They are engaged. They are ready. They are cheering for their players.
Rival chants are flowing throughout this arena right here. Army, army, some, and the others. Wabda, wabda. Let's see who gets down and who gets this win.
Round 3 has started. You just heard the bell. You are watching this action live on Jio Super. Abdullah Khwaja and Fazain Fawad on commentary duties. Fazain, what do you say about both of the fighters in the ring right now?
They know that this is the round. If either one of them wants to win this, they know they gotta go and they gotta throw down this round and they gotta get this round. This is the round that they have to win so they can win this fight and they can advance to the finals. It's so important to both of them. You can tell. You can tell.
Look at them swinging for the fences.
Oh.
That was a big connection.
Oh.
Sanaullah with a big connection. Dazed. Okay, fighters are back. Fighters back in the clinch. Both fighters in incredible condition, Fazain.
Yeah, it's really demanding for an heavyweight to be this active for 3 rounds, and it speaks to the athleticism that these guys have, the training these guys have, that they're absolutely throwing down for 3 rounds, and they're not taking their feet off the gas. This is crazy.
And we're back to the action. 38th man.
Oh
my God! That was right on the chin, wasn't it, Fazain?
It was, and it went straight through.
You are watching the 38th man in second women national
Keep an
boxing
eye on
championship
Irfan
live on
Khan's
Super.
nose. Keep an eye on Irfan Khan's nose. This looks a little disfigured to me. The doctor might need to take a close look on that.
Amazing, incredible action.
There's definitely something up with Irfan Khan's nose. Oh!
Did you see that combination thrown by Sanaullah?
Sanaullah, he's like punching into a brick wall.
Referee separates both fighters. Little over a minute remaining in round 3.
Neither of them are backing down over here.
Sanaullah with double punches while he was in the clinch.
It's great to see these boxers. They've taken inspiration from their greatest.
Irfan Khan tried to throw a big uppercut. "45 seconds remaining in the final round of bout 120. That was another big connection by Sanaullah. Shots to the body.
The Wabda chants are getting
A
louder.
lot of cheers for Team Wabda.
Another rival chants are starting for Army. The Wabda chants are getting louder as the crowd thought that Sanaullah is edging towards victory over here. Oh, beautiful combo.
Oh.
Great footwork, but now he's dazed. No, he wasn't
Sanaullah
dazed.
lost his footing there a bit, but he's still on his feet.
He was off balance there for a bit. I don't know if that was because of a punch or just him losing his footing.
Incredible action. That's the end of the match.
What a fight. What a fight. This is what you
Sanaullah
want to see
believes
from
he
a
has
heavy.
won this fight. Let's see. We're going to have to wait for the official announcement. Fazain, what did you see in this match?
This is exactly what I want to see from a heavyweight fight. High intensity. Both the fighters are not stopping. They're not letting the stamina and their cardio daze them because they've trained so well. And they're not compromising on the punching power at all either. So we're getting the best of both worlds over here.
The crowd here is big numbers. Lot of energy, lot of excitement. This is the type of live sports you want to see. Team Wabda making their presence felt, making their voices heard. Moments away from their official announcement of bout number 120. Let's see what the judges have scored.
Technical delegate Janab Habibullah Jafri Sahib. खूबसूरत मुकाबला किया माशाल्लाह अपने कद के मुताबिक और अपने लंबे लंबे हाथों से एक दूसरे को खूब जेर करने की कोशिश की। दोनों बॉक्सर्स के लिए भरपूर तालियां। बिनू इज विनर।
Sanaullah has been awarded the victory, and rightfully so. Good display of boxing by Team Wabda. Another victory for Team Wabda tonight.
And a bit of showboating there from Sanaullah, showing his skill like he already hadn't shown enough.